is they demolish it. Shucks. Soon they will build something here. So today is Saturday here in Seattle. It's sunny day. I think tomorrow will start the spring day, which is super cool. And I'm on my way to my commute. On my way to my station, bus station, because I'm going home. And Ode is off today, so I hope she prepares something. See ya!
I love you for reasons I hope you do.
Alright, I just arrived here in Transit Center. It's like a park and ride where you park and you ride a bus. Alright. So I kinda remember way back in high school I used to ride a bus going to school because I live like 45 minutes from my school to our place, like in Cagayan City. So yeah. Even now, till I'm old, I'm still riding a bus. So same as like studying or learning, you know. When you go to high school, you learn, you study. Even up to now, I learn and I study. Oh my gosh. So enough with the drama, and let's enjoy the sunny weather here in Washington. And let's go home.
Don't do that! Mga balis ako sa imo. You're gonna cry.
Alexa, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I make a great kitchen companion. I can help with conversions like how many teaspoons in a tablespoon or how many pints in a gallon. Your dinner guests will be very impressed.
So what? Right, Ode get mad at me. That's why she prepare food. Alexa, what is spring season?
Spring is one of the 4 conventional temperate seasons, following winter and preceding summer.
Alexa, what is spring equinox?
An equinox is the moment in which the plane of Earth's equator passes through the center of the sun, which occurs twice each year, around 20th of March and 23rd of September.
Alexa, good night.
Good night. Sweet dreams.